Welcome to One Park Drive, one of Canary Wharf's most iconic and architecturally celebrated residential buildings.
We are in the penthouse, the top of One Park Drive on the 56th floor. This home is not for the average. With over 2,000 square feet of living space and wonderfully designed, expansive views, south facing, this is iconic. Come, let's check it out together.
As you move through the main living space, the floor-to-ceiling glazing immediately draws your eye outwards. The views here are simply breathtaking, stretching across Canary Wharf skyline along the River Thames. The interior design takes inspiration from soft curves and organic forms, a signature of the building's overall concept. Clean lines are balanced with warm textures, creating an atmosphere that feels both contemporary and timeless.
This is a duplex apartment. You've seen what the ground floor has to offer. Now let's go upstairs where we've got 2 bedrooms and a courtyard. And just check out these stairs. We've got exposed concrete here and they spiral all the way up to the first floor. It's almost like a walkway to heaven. Let's check it out.
Moving upstairs, the private areas of the penthouse feel calm, luxurious, and intentionally secluded. The bedrooms are generous in size, each offering incredible views and a sense of tranquility rarely found at this height. The bathrooms continue the same design language, spa-like, minimalistic, and refined, with premium finishes that enhance the feeling of understated luxury. What truly sets this penthouse apart is its duplex layout at such a high level, something that's exceptionally rare in Canary Wharf. Combined with the building's distinctive cylindrical design, this home feels completely unique, not just another high-rise apartment, but a statement residence.
And one of my favorite parts of this penthouse is this courtyard. It is absolutely breathtaking. It brings the outdoors into the building, and the decor, the open air, the space is fantastic.
Living at One Park Drive also means access to world-class amenities including gym, co-working spaces, and a private health club.